Getting ready for the Meg Thee Stallion concert tonight. And this is my first time recording on this camera, so I don't know if it's anything up here, but it's really cute. About to do my hair. Got my outfit out. Just went to go get some drinks beforehand so we can have a little litness when we get there. So I just want to see if this actually worked. I don't know. Let's see.
I just want you to know that you are there's something about you special. Something about you special. I just want you to know that you are
Okay, so these are the Bantu knives. About to flip the back, put some baby edges on, and they might look cute. Might look cute. I don't know. Check out my Instagram video. See if it came out any kind of decent.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hope it's some shell toss. Tag glow, slapping rap beaches and making bell ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails ho. Tag glow, no competition, these bitches fail ho. Tag glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit in layers ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Pick up where you been at, Ryan. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some chicken.
Is that a girl? Period. That's a surprise. I said I know this glue is gluing right now. Gluing? Yes. Oh shit! we out here. Well, I can't see.
Keep running circles around these snail hoes. And my shit bumping up in the jail hole.
Alright, y'all see this. That's cute. Dang, the battery they Hey.
He turned off his phone, said to call him. Why feeling?
Why is this light doing that? I'm gonna take this light back. I don't like that. I don't know why it's flashing. Okay, boobs. Got the grills in. But I can't record at the same time. Oh, you look cute. And it ain't gonna look like this when we leave out. We're probably gonna have about 4 rhinestones on before. We're gonna show you afterwards. Get the water! That's my song! You don't want to get the water!
I ain't kissing no way. We mentioned it. When it come to me, I just know my role and then I fall. Ain't never put my all in no. I don't smoke no sweet shows, so I don't my candy milk. Look at me, my sisters. These bitches be playing that go. I said about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them. They don't have no business. They can go for anything, but I can't go for none of that. He gon' shoot everything that he gonna keep up. They don't let me be my song. Might not help me shoot my. And keep my fingers hurt today. I don't give a
Waiting for Megan. Glow, you did your thing. I feel like I'm glowing. How many rhinestones we still got? Got still 5. Still 5, okay.
I'm fresh off the plane, I'm recording. I'm fucking the bottle, recording.
As y'all can see, the status of the rhinestones, it got hot up in there and they started to fall off. Maybe I was doing a little too much dancing, but overall the makeup still looks good. I'm gonna wash it off, go to bed.